Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about ideas for those New Year's Eve holiday parties that you will be attending or Zooming. When I think of New Year's, I think of silvery, glittery, gold, popping, champagne, all of those things. So a few things that I got to place into your hair for some fun festive hairstyles. These two, they're by Park Lane. I got them from Joann's. These ones are small little star stickers, and these are those gems. They're already shaped into a star for you. Some people like to use tinsel on their trees, and I figured why not just throw this into your hair. It's silver, it's shiny, it's fun to work with. This I found at Walmart. It was a very hard search to look for tinsel after the holidays. I thought that the shelves would be filled with things that people didn't buy. I was wrong. I was really wrong. This was literally the only one left, and it was in Walmart. So I think it was half off, maybe like 40 something cents. I do know that they have hair tinsel actually. I didn't want to play around too much with that just because I know that you have to, the way that you have to place it on, you have to do a little knot, and I didn't want to have to deal with that. These ones are, again, those just those gold bobby pins. These are from H&M, but I'm sure you can find them anywhere. And these ones just, they pop in color and they look really good against, I mean, dark hair or any color hair, but you can use these gold bobby pins as statement bobby pins instead of the normal bobby pins to just hold your hair in place. I hope you guys like these fun ideas. Let me know which one is your favorite, and let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna start by putting our hair into a high ponytail. I'm keeping these front pieces out, and I'm going to pull the hair as straight back as possible. I'm not gonna have the middle part all the way here, maybe just the front part. So now that our hair is in a ponytail, I'm gonna go in and I grabbed a small section of tinsel. I picked some that are still attached to each other in the middle right here. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to grab one of these little elastics that really grip, and I'm going to grab a bobby pin on one side. I'm going to insert it into my hair, attach the tinsel around it, and then wrap it around, and then bobby pin it on the other side. So you can add more or less if you would like. I think this is a perfect amount. You just have some sparingly here and there, and it is really shiny and glistening, so it catches your eye right away. So then I'm going to grab another section and I'm just going to wrap it around the ponytail. Alright, so I'm changing my mind and I'm adding in some more of this. I picked another one that is again attached, and I'm just going to grab a bobby pin and I'm just gonna stick it straight into my ponytail. See how that holds. And it holds really well actually. I think this is really cute. I love that they are actually a really good length in comparison to my hair. They stop just a little bit before. So of course, if your hair's shorter, you can always trim the tinsel before or even cut it as it's on the ponytail. But I'm gonna go ahead and flip around, let you guys take a look. So for these two next hairstyles, what we're going to be doing is having a deep part. And now that you have your deep part, we're going to go ahead and put it into a ponytail. And I'm just tying it up with two elastics. And with our hair departed and we have this beautiful canvas here, we can apply the stickers that we have. So I will be applying the silver stickers here that I have. And I'm also going to be mixing up these little stars right here. So I think these are gonna work really well just because they are already in the shape of a star right here, and I don't have to move them around. I don't have to worry about the placement and making the shape. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the first one right here. And it's literally not even moving around. It's perfect. You can add more if you would like. You can even switch them up with the gold color. But I'm going to be going in with these little tiny guys and adding them around this area. And there we have our little guys. They are really, really cute. So I love how this hairstyle turned out. I think it's really cute, and I love that it looks classy yet adorable. So for this next hairstyle, we are going to keep our hair in this deep parted ponytail actually. It's just tied off with 2 rubber bands, so we're gonna leave this as is. And then we're gonna go in with some more tinsel, and we are going to apply it to the roots. So the way that I'm going to try to do this is I'm going to grab the sumo gel, and starting at the roots, I'm gonna put a little dab just around, and then I'm gonna go in and apply the beginning of the tinsel on the roots and see how well it holds. Now that these tinsels have been applied, I'm going to go in with another one that's still attached to the top, and I'm just going to stick it around the ponytail. We are going to put our hair into a bun, so the placement of these doesn't matter right now. This bun looks extremely elegant. I really like the pop of tinsel and silver that you see all around the roots as well as on the side here. I did notice though that when I tied it into a knot to put it into a bun, the tinsel kind of clumped up, so I am going to add just a few strands here just to keep it a little even. So here we are with this elegant tinseled out messy bun. I really love the way that the tinsel just pops out, and it's even doing only 3 or 4 here has that subtle but really attention grabbing detail to the tinsel. So for this next hairstyle, we are going to keep a deep part, but I am going to switch the deep part to this side just because when I do deep part it on this side, I have a lot more volume. The part doesn't matter if I'm just completely keeping it tight, but since I want the volume for the bobby pins, I will be switching up the part. So I'm going to go in with this volume here now, and I'm going to pin in 2 different sections right here and right here for a somewhat balanced look, not fully symmetrical, but I'm going to go in with these little bobby pins and place 3 right here and 2 right here just to get it pinned, and it will be slightly pinned out of my face. And here we we are with the final look. It kind of gives me vintage retro vibes, but I really like the way that it's somewhat symmetrical, somewhat not, because we have 2 on this side and 3 on this side. Obviously we need 1 more on this side to be able to hold the deep part. But I have all the volume on the top of my hair, and it automatically takes it to like a very classy hairstyle, and it's perfect for New Year's Eve. And I love that it's just simple bobby pins that makes this look so unique. I've seen these gold bobby pins everywhere, so I'm sure they won't be hard to find. And these ones actually don't even hold securely your hair that well, so it really is just more for the presentation. I hope you guys love these New Year's Eve hairstyles that I gave you today. As you can see, I really love being able to dress up hairstyles for different occasions using accessories and anything you can find, really. I love that. For Christmas, it's all about the red and green ribbon, and for New Year's Eve, it's just about shiny stuff. Literally all the shiny stuff I could put in my head. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know which one is your favorite. Until next video, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.